Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a new group in AlmaLinux. In this video we will look at creating a new group with the groupadd command, adding users to the new group. Let's get started. For this tutorial you will need a running AlmaLinux system. I am using AlmaLinux 9, access to a terminal, sudo privileges to create new groups. Before we create a new group, let's check if there are any existing groups on the system. You can check that with cat command. You can see all existing group names within this list. This command will display a list of all groups on the system. You can scroll through the list to see existing groups. You can also use the getEnt command to check for specific groups. This command will return information about the developers group if it exists. If it doesn't exist, it won't return anything. As we can see on the screen, it returned anything. So we don't have developers group. The most basic way to create a new group in AlmaLinux is using groupadd command. Let's open our terminal and create a new group named developers. Groupadd and group name. Okay, that's it. The group developers has been created with the default settings. You can verify that the group has been created by checking etc. folder. You can use this command with grep option. As you can see, there is a developers group in our system. Now we want to add a user to this group. To add users to a group, you can use usermod command with capital G option. Let's add a user to this group. Usermod -G developers, and we have a user in system named Alice. Now we want to we will add Alice to developers group with this command. Okay, this command adds Alice to the developers group. You can verify that the user has been added to the group by running groups command. Let's run it. Groups Alice. This command will show you all the groups that Alice belongs to, including the developers group. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more Linux administration videos. Drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy Linux administrating.